Hello and welcome to our video tutorial on how to receive NUNA Liquidity Provider Rewards. All the information I'll be discussing today can be found on the NUNA Art Project Medium page. Let's begin. A quick tutorial overview. We'll start by reviewing and adding liquidity in the Lumen NUNA Liquidity Pool, followed by a quick preview of the DAO page on LumenSwap. Here we are on the NUNA Medium site, specifically the article discussing rewards for liquidity providers. It's a good read. It offers a lot of information on how NUNA as a project is helping its liquidity providers by offering rewards 24 hours a day, every day. Number 2 here, we're going to look at joining the Lumen NUNA pool. There's 2 links, one for LumenSwap, the other for StellarX. Today I will be using LumenSwap. I like LumenSwap. I think it has a clean design, it's really easy to navigate, like all the apps here on one page. They've got an automatic market maker, an NFT page, and a DAO page. So yeah, check it out. I recommend them. Anyway, back to making an LP. If you clicked on the link from the Medium page, you should be here. This is the information page for the Lumen NUNA pool, which we'll be adding to here shortly. In the middle we have a few graphs for fees, trade volume, and total volume locked. And below that we can see different swaps moving in and out of the pool, and also different activities occurring within the pool, like swaps, withdrawals, deposits, which is what I'm about to do now. In order to do anything out here on LumenSwap, we need to sign into our wallet. Important here to make sure you're using a wallet with Lumens and NUNA and ready to deposit. So my abbreviated wallet here in the top. Wait a minute. If you've made it this far into the video and have questions like what's an LP or what are the benefits and risk in creating an LP position, I highly recommend you visit Whiteboard Crypto's YouTube page for some creative answers to your questions. Go to My Pools and then New Pools. Bring that in a bit. The default token here is LSP. Click that, change it to NUNA, making sure to select the token issued by nunaproject.art. No imposter tokens, please. Now I have some XLM and NUNA here. We're going to go ahead and start creating our position in this liquidity pool. I'm going to start with 2500 NUNA. That puts it at 6.76 XLM. The thing with the liquidity pool entry is it has to be equal in value for each asset. So if you only wanted to, say, put 5 XLM, well, that would drop the NUNA down to 1847. So just have to find a position that you are comfortable placing. For this tutorial, we'll put 2500 NUNA, create. I'll confirm, and then sign and authorize the transaction through the wallet. And success! And as I go to click this link here, I just want to remind everyone that there's 300,000 NUNA rewarded to LP holders each day. You're paid every hour for holding the XLM NUNA pair. So here's some information about our liquidity position, our percentage of shares, deposit, withdraw. Check out rewards next here. Looking at this, you're paid every hour. These amounts are not typical. This is kind of a low share percentage. The more you raise your percentage, the more NUNA, the more XLM you put in, the higher the rewards you get. As promised, we're going to have a preview of the DAO page here on the LumenSwap apps page. You're going to launch the app. NUNA in the lower left corner, I've already joined. Your box will be blue. Be sure to sign in and use a wallet that you have NUNA with to be able to vote. And here in the boardroom, we see an area for proposals. You can view active proposals or create your own. We'll go ahead and check out this active proposal here. Have a read through that. Vote for or against, using your NUNA as your vote. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us. With that, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow us on Twitter. Come find us on Telegram and Discord.